Alright guys, so we gotta get rid of this sticker right here. Sorry 8080. I wanted to keep you, but you're super hard to take off, so I can't relocate you guys. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so this is being too much work. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys ever watch Peter McGinnon, but I watched one of his Tip Tuesdays. I watched one of his Tip Tuesdays, and it was basically using a lamp as a tripod, because I forgot my tripod today when I came to this hotel. So if I could take this off, there we go. And this tip right here, this tip right here actually fits my my camera, so I'm gonna set you guys up. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. So, as you could tell, I'm not at my house right now. I'm actually in a hotel room somewhere in the world, and I feel like it's time for me to kind of mention some things that I've been working on behind the scenes. Unless you have me on like Instagram or Snapchat, mostly Snapchat, that's where I post a lot of behind the scene things. So right now I'm gonna keep my Snapchat personal, but if you want to add me on Instagram, link below right there, or username right there actually. I do post a lot right there. Actually, I don't post that much, but I'll start posting more. Just, you know, it'll be easier for you guys to get in contact with me there. But I've been working on some stuff behind the scenes, and most of my closer friends and other people that I have on Snapchat, which is mostly just my close friends, have seen a lot of stuff that I've been working on. So the first thing that actually I already worked on, maybe 4 months ago, was this t-shirt. Oh wait, I got the wrong t-shirt. Put the wrong t-shirt on. I actually gotta change. There we go, guys. So it says Zeroplanet right here, and then it has the ghost in the back. So the reason I didn't put this out yet, even though it was like, I believe maybe 4 to 6 months ago already, I think maybe like 4 months ago already, the reason I didn't really mention the shirt or anything, even in my other social media accounts, is because the first batch I got, the company that I was working with didn't really do a good job with some of the color. It looked too vintage for me, and I liked it, but it wasn't to my standards, I would say. So I'm wearing the second one where they kind of improved it, made the colors a little bit better. And yeah, I actually haven't worn the shirt. This is the first time I wear it. I did wash it, just because you should always wash anything new you buy. It even says it on the label with some jeans and stuff. But yeah, so it's actually a pretty good shirt. I believe 70 or 65 to 75% cotton, and I don't know what the other is. I don't know the actual specs on the shirt, but I do know that this is 100% I'm not gonna say plant-based. Like, oh yeah, it's GMO free, plant-based, organic, free range. No, it's like I think it had like a sticker that said I believe it said it was recycled, like everything's cool, like basically it's super like friendly environment. It's like recycled products, and the company tries to go as like, you know, earth friendly as possible. And that's why I went with them in designing the shirt and the material. So I guess if I could explain it, it's if you've ever bought a Santa Cruz quality, if you ever bought a Santa Cruz shirt or sweater, most of the shirt, it feels that thickness and like that like material. And I really like the shirts. I know a lot of people like the softer ones. I personally like the thickness, you know, just because I don't know, it keeps you warm, and then I don't know, you just have that like thickness, you know. But I also like those like, you know, dry fit shirts. That I love wearing those, even when I don't work out, you know, just so I could look like I work out. I'm kidding, but yeah, so the shirt, I did get a couple of friends that were interested in it. I told them that I was going to come out with it and that I was going to take pre-orders, but honestly I don't know, my channel is too early on for me to really start making merch or anything like that. But I guess anybody that's willing to buy these shirts, comment down below. This style shirt, it's probably just gonna be like that one time where like only a few people get it, maybe less than 50 people will get it, and after that I'm just not gonna make it anymore, or I'm just not gonna make it this color anymore. Everything will just be updated to something else. But yeah, so the second thing I actually want to talk about is the one that I'm more excited about, just because the shirt, I've always wanted to have my own brand, but I never really thought about like selling my brand. I mostly just wanted to make it for myself, just so I could have like my own thing, you know. Didn't really care if people bought it or not. End of the day, I don't really care about that. But it would be nice seeing other people wear my stuff and be like, oh cool, I designed that and another person liked it. I mean, that's the whole reason for this channel. It's mostly to document what I'm doing, and if other people like it, they can join by subscribing and going along this journey. Anyways, second thing that I want to talk about today, I don't want to make this video too long, is something I'm pretty excited about. I'm pretty excited about. And I got them right here. And it's stickers. So I got this Kakashi sticker of Senpai, and then I just made my own ghost stickers. So I didn't make that much just because I'm pretty broke and these were pretty expensive, but I made a good amount. I made 50. I made 25 of the regular gloss ones. They're vinyl, so you can stick them on anywhere, window, car, your laptop, like I showed you guys right now. So yeah, I have the regular vinyl one, and then I also have this, like, you could say it's kind of like shiny slash like oil slick, I don't know what you want to call it, ones where it's basically like reflective and like shiny and stuff, more depending on how like the color hits it. Looks pretty dope. So yeah. So they basically have two different versions. And I already have a couple of people that were interested in these because they're actually not that expensive as the shirts would be. I'm only selling the ghost ones for $5. I'm only selling the gloss ones for $5. and the oil slick ones just a little bit more pricier because they're a little bit more expensive to make. $7. I already had a couple people message me, and I haven't came up with the website yet, but I am doing pretty much where you can either PayPal me, Venmo, or Zelle me, and I just ship it to you guys. And I don't have a website yet, so please bear with me with that yet. I'm still working on it. I don't know, I just want to make my own website or use like Squarespace or Shopify, one of those. Oh, by the way, forgot to mention that the person that made my sticker, I'm gonna comment their Instagram below right here. It's called All Stickers. They also make a couple other stickers for other Instagram pages and YouTubers, like Crispy. I've been following their sticker page for like years, and it wasn't until like maybe a year or two ago where I noticed that, like, you know, they put the sticker, sometimes they put like stickers. Oh, their whole Instagram page is about stickers, and like sometimes they post like the ones they make. There's this really cool one of like Baby Yoda with 2 coilovers, or 1 coilover, one of those, with 1 coilover, and it looked pretty cool. And he posted some Crispy ones, and I was like, dude, that's crazy. Those look exactly like Crispy from, you know, YouTube. And then it wasn't until like I clicked, and then like the hyperlink, and then the link went to his Instagram page, and I was like, oh, it makes sense now. So I just went with them because I was like, okay, well, he does it for Crispy, so might as well, you know, try it out. And honestly, I wasn't disappointed. Really simple. I'll recommend. I'm probably gonna go back to him again. I made an account, and yeah, I'm probably gonna order more from him. It's super fast shipping. I don't know, I can't remember if he was based off California too, so that's why I got it within like a day or two. But yeah, super quick shipping. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to catch up with you guys on something. Obviously there's not much content going on because of the whole virus thing, but it's the worst time to make a brand, but it's the best time to try, see if you succeed or not. Obviously we don't know how this economy is gonna go, and let's see how it plays out. If you guys are interested, please comment down below or email me on my email linked on this channel, zeroplanet1@gmail.com, and if anything, just hit me up on Instagram, zeroplanet_. Let me know if you guys want to support the channel by getting some stickers. If you get more than 3 stickers, free shipping. So yeah, thank you guys for everything, and until next time. Actually, let's give some of these stickers away. I thought about it. Not because it's midnight and I don't know what I'm doing, but let's give some stickers away. Like my video. What are the rules other YouTubers make? First thing, go like this video. Second thing, subscribe to this channel. And third thing, comment down below your favorite car. It could be a dream car, it could be a car you already own, or anything. It doesn't really matter, just one of your favorite cars or your favorite car. And comment that, and then also comment your Instagram, just so I could private message you on there and get all that info so I can ship it out to you. If you're from San Jose, I'll just meet up with you and give it to you in person. Maybe. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and peace.